footwork is there.
This is a kickboxing bout, 3 rounds, 1 minute each. Reintroducing in the blue corner, representing Viper, his name is Oscar Milovsorov. And in the red corner, representing Undisputed Fight Academy, I want to hear it for Lucas Morley.
You can be guaranteed more explosive action here, I can already tell.
Go on, Oscar.
Both boys on their toes, looking ready to go. Both boys straight in.
Main business here, we're both trading straight shots here.
Both trading hands. Let's see a kick.
Let's see some kicks here, just as I said it.
Oh, nice kicks. He's using his distance. Oh, bit tangled up now.
Get him back in there, guys. And again, Oscar, go!
Lucas here pushing Oscar back and Oscar returning.
Yes! Let's go, Oscar, up and up!
Luca using that range a little bit.
Keep going, Oscar.
Oscar's still pushing forward though. Getting a little bit tangled here.
And again, go, Oscar, go!
Nice kick to the face.
Follow him in, Oscar.
Touch of the gloves, then Lucas straight in.
Strong here, the ref steps in.
First count.
Seconds out, round 2.
Oscar showing good heart here, back in for round 2.
Lucas straight back
Lucas
in.
really strong coming forward here.
He's pushing forward. I think he's looking for that stoppage. Oh, slip. That was a slip.
The floor is slippery here.
That was just a little slip. Just wiping the corner up so the boys don't slip again. Lucas straight back in.
Oscar answering back there with a kick while under pressure.
Yeah, Oscar's still replying though. That's a slip.
We're back up a wipe with the gloves.
Oh no, I think may have been a hit.
5,
Second count here.
7,
I was unsure if that was a slip or it was
and
called
we're done
off.
here. Nice win there for Lucas. Great heart by Oscar, but at the end of the day, your health is your wealth.
Yeah, I think the height might have been a little bit too much from there. Oscar still looks strong trying to throw those kicks, but Lucas...
You can tell Oscar's a really good fighter
Yeah.
there too, but sometimes it's just not your day and he'll come again.
and your